Magandang hapon po ng June 5, 2025 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng June 5, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, June 5, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 5, 2025, Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, June 5, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for June 5, 2025, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.